Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective drink for arthritis and joint pain. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Dry roast for a minute in low flame until they pop. Poppy seeds are rich in nutrients and antioxidants, contains pain relieving compounds, boosts heart and skin health and helps in weight loss. Now the poppy seeds are popping, so at this stage add 5 Makhana or lotus seeds. Again dry roast for a minute in low flame. Makhana is rich in nutrients, high in antioxidants, helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, supports weight loss, has anti-aging properties and promote heart health. Now to this add 1 cup of low-fat milk, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Milk is packed with nutrients, good source of quality protein. Milk benefits bone health, helps prevent weight gain, and milk is a versatile ingredient. Turmeric powder contains bioactive compounds with medical properties, natural anti-inflammatory compound, lowers your risk of heart disease, helps to prevent cancer and help delay aging and fight age-related chronic diseases. Pepper on the other hand is high in antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, improves blood sugar levels and lowers cholesterol levels in the body. Now the milk is nicely boiling, so off the flame and let this rest for a minute. Then take a mug like this. Strain and add the drink to the mug. Now a healthy drink for arthritis and joint pain is ready. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this milk. You can also avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink today boosts your immunity, so do try this drink for arthritis and joint pain at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.